Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to send money from Western Union to Philippines. So let's get into the video. So firstly, open up Western Union and log into your Western Union account. If you don't have an account, you can just create an account, register for an account. It's pretty easy. So once you're done and logged in here, so I'm going to hit on this send money option, and here it'll ask you sending money. You're going to select the country here, so just click on the country, like your default selection, just click on it, and that will prompt you to these options here. So I'm going to choose here Philippines. So I'm going to choose Philippines, hit on continue. So I'm going to hit on continue, and you can enter the amount that you wish to send from your local home currency, or you can also enter the amount in your receiving currency. So hit on this receive amount. So that's the Philippine the currency in Philippines, that how much I want to send. So you just want to type that in, so whatever it is, type that in, hit on check fees, and this will now generate the exchange fees and all those information. And when you get to this screen here, so here under you send, under the payment methods, like how do you want to pay for this transaction, so you can choose any option here. I'll choose debit card. And then under receivers recipient option here, under receive method, you're going to choose how the receiver wants to receive this, whether cash, bank account, or mobile, whatever that is. I'll just use bank account. Done, and then hit on continue. So you'll see the total amount and everything that you need to pay in your home currency here for this transaction. So hit on continue. Once you hit on continue, so this will now ask you to add your receiver details. So for example, here there's a receiver, so you can just hit on add new and then add your receiver's details here. So whoever that you want to send to, just add their name, receiver details, or else you can just select the person, hit on continue. So once you've added the details of the person, the receiver, so we're going to do, you're going to now click on these. Since I selected bank account for the I'm going to send it to the receiver's bank account. I'm going to enter the details of the receiver's bank account. So if it's a cash pickup, you won't be able to do this. So it just depends on how you want to send the payment through, like on what way they're going to receive it. So once this is done, hit on continue. Then you're going to provide the details of your card, because I'm going to use my card to pay this payment. So provide the details of my card. Once that's done, just review and then complete the transaction, and that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. I will see you all in another video. Thank you.